Starbucks PNB Ayala branch to attend a tea tasting seminar. Let's check out their merch, mugs and tumblers, and their beans. Wow. So let's start the tea tasting seminar.
Since then, China has been the biggest source or country of origin where we source our teas.
Let's check. Anong amoy ng
Let's start with
English breakfast.
You will notice Emperor's Cloud is actually quite grassy and vegetative as to its aroma.
Oo.
Tea flight, since we will be using
Pina natin
hot water of the boil. So just be careful not to spill over your seatmates for today.
So tanggalin natin
You may also
yung
open the sachets with English breakfast and chamomile para tuloy-tuloy tayo. And then I would suggest for the cups, for the cups, yung tea bag, may sleeves na tayo.
Teavana. Yes.
Are not very good. Or don't worry, if maubusan ng water, magpa-provide na lang tayo.
English breakfast. Lagyan natin. Okay. Let's start. Pour hot boiling water. Chamomile, wow. And then English breakfast tea. So just use hot water just off the boil. So yung bagong kulo yung gagamitin na water. Steeping time is kung gaano katagal mo ibabad yung tea bag sa water. Okay, remove na natin.
So while waiting for the rest of your teas,
Clear, light green with the leafy smell.
you were actually
This is tea heaven.
pinipiga yung tea when you were doing it with your empress.
So for chamomile and English breakfast, dapat 5 minutes yung steeping time.
5 minutes. Any idea?
Kasi if tinagalan mo yung babad ng tea bag, dito na lumalabas yung mapait na lasa or bitter taste of the tea.
Those bitter
So dapat
components
hindi natin i-oversteep yung
when
tea.
extracting. So we don't want them to be over-extracted. So our teas are designed to be flavors.
Saka
of
huwag
the
nyo to
day.
pipigain yung tea bag. Ako guilty dito, pinipiga ko yung tea bag.
Pag may nakita kayo sa bahay na nagagano,
Huwag nyo pigain.
hila mo yan. It's really hot. I would suggest that you slurp. And how is it? From a coffee master standpoint, I believe so na meron pa rin siyang konting caffeine. And then for these three beverages, pinakamaraming caffeine is black. So,
Black
mas maraming caffeine is breakfast. Nagulat ka. For our first time eating, it's very assertive.
Worth it ba?
Ang sarap kahit walang sugar.
Yeah.
So kahit walang sugar or honey, may enjoy mo yung tea. Basta correct steeping time. Wow, tea lattes. Ito na yung masasarap na matatamis.
Which already started running since January 8 until February 18. So anyone received their teas? I noticed you already tasted. Before kasi our green tea lattes are infused with syrups. But for now, hindi na tayo nag-infuse. Kasi somewhat sweet na rin.
Oo, sweet na nga siya. Favorite ko yan. Game. Tayo. Breakfast.
Sige, let's try chai. Yung green tea yung
Mainit.
So let's try to taste chai. My favorite as well.
Tikman natin.
How is the body of chai?
Oo nga.
Medyo kulang yung flavor experience.
Okay, mainit.
Parang minty.
Minty.
Medyo spice.
Medyo spicy nga.
You could try it. I would recommend.
Favorite ko pa rin to eh.
Sarap ng green tea latte. Yum.
Akin na yung chai.
Sige. Nami mo.
They also let us try the featured tea lattes.
So I would recommend this for parang pang-bread.
Masarap siya ng yun na try natin kasi frap.
Since we're approaching the end of the seminar, do you have any questions that you would like to clarify? For the temperature here in our stores, it's usually water just off the boil. So, tubig na halos galing lang sa pagpapakulo.
Sa tea ba, pwede siyang ganon? Or ano na natin?
For the fully brewed teas, it's yung, say for example, pag may tea bags ka na, and then tapos mo na siya i-consume.
That ends our Starbucks Tea-volution tea tasting seminar. And to thank you for watching this video, we will have a giveaway of 6 tea bags para naman matikman nyo yung teas of Starbucks. And we're throwing in also a Starbucks gift certificate. You can buy coffee or pastries to go with your teas. So to enter, you must be a subscriber of our channel, Taraletz, and answer our giveaway question. So what is my favorite tea latte? Post your answer in the comment section and read the full description for the mechanics. Thank you for watching!
Thank you, Starbucks!